wondering, what are you doing on your Valentine's Day? Talk to me in the comment. Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and I will keep you updated every day. And today's video is going to be Valentine's Day makeup look, like for a day look using affordable beauty products as always. So yes, if you would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start with my eye first using Tooface Shadow Insurance. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use Shiseido, and then for waterline, I'm going to do eyeliner pencil in black. And today I'm not just going to create a Valentine's look, I'm going to test in these I Had Liberation Heart Maker as well. And as you can see, you've got 9 different shades. You've got shimmer and matte colours as well. And I have been swatching it and I hope that you can see it's quite pigmented and you know, it's stunning. I like all of this shade because to be honest, you could wear it as everyday makeup look or eyeshadow every day. And yes, so let's just try it on my eyes. So I'm going to start with a brown colour first. So I'm going to put it on my crease. Then I'm going to use kind of like a lighter brown this side to blend every colour together. Then I'm going to use this gold colour, put it on my eyelids. Wow, okay, that is not bad. Wow, I quite like it. It kind of like golden foil sort of shade, sort of texture, which I love. I'm pretty sure if you're using your brush, it's not going to pick up the product this much because I can see that it's fall out in the palettes as well. I prefer and I suggest you to use with your finger instead. And wow, I'm pretty impressed with the colour and pigmented and everything. And I'm going to finish the rest of my eyes off camera, so I'm going to use exactly the same wire hone like that. I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner, and then I'm going to follow with these L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. And this is my eye makeup look. So moving on to my face, I have a couple products that I would like to test today. So the first one of course is going to be a foundation, and today I'm going to test in Makeup Liberation Conceal and Define. So I got this one for a while and I didn't have much time to play with it, so I think today is going to be a really good chance to taste it with you. So I like the packaging, I like the rose gold, this is my favorite color, and I like it's like a glass, if you can hear that. And yes, it's just like a Dover's, like a big one, which I like. I don't have a problem with that, but a lot of people said it's not too hygiene, if you know what I mean. But yes, I'm not pretty sure this is going to be the right shade for me because I ordered it from you know, an online from Makeup Liberation website. So yes, I'm going to try it on my face. To be honest, I think it's a little bit light, as you can see, and I put it quite a lot. I look so funny now, but well, yes, it definitely looked a little bit brighter than my shade. But that's okay, I'm going to look at my face. I'm going to work it out. I might use bronzer, and it's like pink undertone, which I have a yellow and the terry, and I put it too much. Oh god, how can I fix this? Well, to be honest, I think it does a pretty good job about coverage. Yes, I did put quite a lot of products on my face, and can you just please ignore that it's brighter than my normal shade, but I'm going to work on it. And yes, I think it does a pretty good job for the coverage, and it's matte. Maybe if you have a dry skin, maybe you have to use something or some primer that moisturises your face. For my concealer, it's going to be Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. For setting powder, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. And another 2 more products that I would like to test with you guys. So I'm going to start with these bad boy first, which is Wet n Wild Bronzer. I'm not pretty sure about it because I tap it like, you know what I mean? And it's not showing the colour that much. And well, it doesn't like look like disco ball, but the coverage, I'm not pretty sure about the coverage. It's not showing that much. Oh, it does. Oh god. I don't know how you can see. Let me just zoom into you. I don't think that you can see it really well because it's just like I put a highlighter on my forehead, and for my forehead now look like a disco ball. It looked gold, like everywhere is gold now on my face. So I guess I'm going to go back to Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette. For the last product that I'm going to test today is going to be Wet n Wild again. This one is a brush, and it's again, I am a little bit scared it's going to be like highlighter again, or I just put some, what does it called, highlight on the cheeks again. Hello. It like, I don't know how well you can see, but I can see it. It's just like a subtle, glowy brush. This word is always hard. It's just like a glowy brush that it's not. And again, it's like I put in some highlighter on my cheek. As you can see, it's like it's like disco ball again, and which is this one. It is. I did put a little bit of highlighter, just like around here. Not sure. I dab it quite a lot, and it's flat out a lot as well. The last step is going to be lipstick, and today I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 175, and this is my Valentine's Day makeup look for a day look. To be honest, I really like the I Heart L'Evolution eyeshadow palette. This is really pigmented, only £4, and you've got 9 different shades. I absolutely recommend this one to you guys, and the shades and everything, like I said, it's incredible. It's really beautiful. For a foundation, I really like it, but I'm not really good to, you know, choose the right shade from an online website. So I end up to get a long shade, but that it's okay. It does crease a little bit here, but I don't know how you can see, but that's alright. It's not bad. And it's full coverage, and I really like it. But if you have a dry skin, I don't think that you're going to like this foundation, apart of if you use some moisturizer underneath, that will help. And I'm not a fan of bronzer and brush from Wet n Wild today. I'm a little bit disappointed because it's like I put kind of like a highlighter on my face and now my face looks like disco ball. Well, that's okay. So, and that is my opinion about the products that I test today. And this is my makeup look. I think if you have a dry skin, you might like it, because now in real life I look like a disco ball, like I said. But because I have an oily skin, so I just don't like to put too much highlight on my face. But yeah, that is pretty good. So if you have any products that you want me to test, you can leave a comment down below. Talk to me, guys. And yes, thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.